Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online completely for free. Now whilst this is not going to cost us any money, do remember it's going to obviously take some time and effort. That being said, I'm going to share with you some free tools and resources which can speed up this entire process. And look, if you like this video, then please drop a comment down below or like the video. I'd really appreciate that. And if you want more resources, there is links in the description over to some of the most popular articles over on the website. Because look, making money online, it's 100% possible and it's achievable. It's just trying to sift through all of the nonsense online and find methods that work. So in today's video I'm going to share with you two different websites, and I'll also share with you some free resources for this. So first of all, let me come over to this website over here very quickly. So this is one website and it's called cjinc.info. Now this is just an example of a couple of things that we can do. So you see this on here, typing jobs. By the way, we're not typing. I'm going to show you how to do all of this hands-free. But we can find many websites like this here, whereby you can see they will pay you to type. And this is just one website. If you come over to this article over here, we can see this is in family and parenting, by the way. We can see this website here pays $100 to $150 for posts on parenting. We've got Just Parents is a UK based site and they focus on pregnancy and parenting. They pay $60 per post, so about £48, something like that. And there's hundreds of these. So we've got family and parenting, we've got health, lifestyle. There's loads of these different places whereby they will pay you to write. So if we come back over here really quickly, so this one over here, this typing jobs, online and offline typing work at home opportunity. So basically, there's two different ways that you can do this. Over on platforms like this, they will send you, like an outline for something they want you to type up, and then obviously you go away and type. Over on websites like this one here, they will pay you to come up with ideas, suggestions and other bits, as we can see on here. So like posts on parenting, entertainment, pregnancy, etc. This one here, pregnancy and parenting. So how can we make money whether we're going with any of these websites or this one over here? Well, if you want to sit down and type, spend your time typing, you absolutely can do. But I'm going to share with you some tools. So the first one is absolutely free to get started with. And I use this myself, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's this website over here, and it's called Jasper. It used to be called InVideo. It's not InVideo. It used to be called Jarvis. You can see up here, yeah, formerly Jarvis, and then it's just recently changed to Jasper. Now, using the link down below, if I move my head, you can see your friend gave you 10,000 words to try this software for free. And you might be wondering, why do I need to try this piece of software over here? Well, it's AI, so it's artificial intelligence, which has been trained to write original creative content, which sounds absolutely bizarre, doesn't it? But with everything that's gone on in the last 2 years, nothing seems bizarre anymore. So inside of this software here, let me show you inside of this, because as I've mentioned, you can use this completely for free. I'll come in here. And then, once I've shown you inside of this one and how this works, I'll share with you another piece of software which is free, and you can use that to make money online. So inside of this Jasper, this software over here, I can use this for email, website, blogs. I can use it for lots of things. But let me come back over here and I'll show you how I can use this, okay? So let's just say, well, let's go over to this website here. Pregnancy and parenting. I don't really want to write an article about that, focusing on pregnancy and newborns, parenting. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to write an article on parenting, okay? So for this, so up here, title. So what do I want this to be? So you see here where it says content description brief. So I want this to write an article about what I've got. And I'm going to type in here 5 simple parenting tips, and this is just an example, okay? And I'm going to put please, and then you see here tone of voice. Do I want this as witty, serious, excited? There's many more, so I'm just going to go with excited. And then it says here keyword. So basically, do we want this AI software to focus on any keywords? Well, because this article here is about parenting tips, I'm going to highlight this here like so, and I'm going to put that down here. Now we've got the last thing, we've got the output length. So we've got short, medium, and longer. So I'm going to put it on to longer. But bearing in mind, whenever you're first using this, as we can see over here, you get 10,000 words for free. So what I'd recommend is, whenever you're doing this, probably leave it on medium. Okay? Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on compose, and I'm not going to do anything. So this software is going to, as you can see here, it's starting to work away for us. Okay? And then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on compose, and it's just basically, this software now is going to create a full article for me. And then I'm going to click on compose one last time. And I'll scroll down here and you can see it's still working away. Okay, now you've got a couple of options with this. You can go through this and you can, change parts of this to make it even more unique. You can add in your own, your own spin-off and your own text into this. And if you don't like any part of this, so for example, if I didn't like this up here, you see up here, I can rephrase it, I can fix any grammar, explain it to a 5th grader. So I'm just going to click on rephrase, and it takes a second, and it's going to rewrite that paragraph. Okay, so that's it done. So I think you'll agree. Obviously, you'll need to go through and spell check this, and also make sure that you're happy with this. But this is absolutely free to get started with, and you can use this on any of these different websites whereby they will pay you online to write, whether it is any of these, or if it's this one, this CJ Info, and many more. But this software, it's awesome. I use it myself. I use it for blog posts, YouTube videos, and lots more. And like I say, you can play around with it completely for free. Then after this, after your 10,000 words, it does charge you per month after that. However, if you're using this software to go ahead and submit articles to these, all being well, you'll literally, once you've got one of these and you've been paid for this will pay for the software itself. Okay, so that is the first method I'm going to share with you. The next one, if we come back over here, is, if we come down here, we can see proofreading. So monetize your proofreading skills online. Now, this again, there's many websites where they will pay you to do proofreading. Now for this, we use a piece of software. Now, if we come over here to this website, this is called slickwrite.com. This is absolutely free, and you can see here you can check your grammar in seconds, and you can see why use this and other bits. But if we come up to the top, all we do is we click on start writing. Now over on this website here, and any other website whereby they're paying you to do this proofreading here, how it works is they will send you written format or content, and then basically you're to go through that and proofread it, and make sure all of it makes sense, and there's no spelling errors, and it's all the grammar's correct and other bits. Well, you can use this website over here to check it all for you. And all you do here is you can upload a file, you can copy and paste your text into here. So if I come over here, let's go and take this article here that we've just wrote inside of here. Let's see, make sure that this stacks up. So let's just copy this. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over to this software. I'm going to paste it in here. Change that to raising a kid. Now, all I do here is, once I've got my text in here, I scroll down to the bottom and I click on continue, and it takes normally about 30 seconds, but obviously, if you put a longer piece of content in here, it will take longer. Now, if we scroll down here, basically, anything where it's been highlighted like this is where you can point out any errors. So let's come over here and say, what is this? This is a cliche. Establish rules and stick to them. Let's come down and have a look at this. One of the most important things you can do as a parent is established rules. So passive voice. So this piece of content here is in a passive voice. So these are all different things that we can highlight when we are proofreading. Come over here, cliche. This here is an adverb. Come down here, by leading. Look, this one, this one, this one, this one. So it's all notes and points that you can point out whenever you are doing, proofreading for any website that you're working with. And once you've gone through this and you highlight any of these, you make notes of them and you can send them back to whichever person that you're working with. And the website that we've looked at over today, like this one over here, you're not just limited to this. You can even put up your own online services on freelancing websites. So one of the most popular ones out there is called Fiverr.com. And you can come over here and literally put up one of your own services. So if you just click on here, type on here, we'll type in proofreading. Let's try that again. Proofreading. and we'll hit on search, you can list your services on platforms like this here. So let me just click off here, scroll down, and you can see, look, I will professionally proofread and edit your document in 1 day. You can this one. So people are also offering their services on platforms like this. And there's so many different ways that you can make money online without, having any money up front. These 2 websites that we've looked at today, they're absolutely free to get started with. And hopefully this video has given you a few ideas. There will be many more videos coming in the coming weeks and months, and I'll share lots more different resources and tools with you. So look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. I'll drop links to everything below for you. So yeah, that's it. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.